How does your fix and flip program work? All right, guys, this is how the program was designed, is you actually go and find a good deal. With that good deal, we'll fund the purchase, we'll fund the rehab, we'll fund the closing costs, we will fund the interest, and we will fund title fees. As long as all of that fits 74% or less than the after repaired value of the property. So, for example, if the after repaired value of the property was $100,000, then the max loan amount would be $74,000, which means that would need to include the purchase, rehab, the closing costs, interest, and the title fees. Okay. Now, what if that deal you need a little bit more? If you can do 74, then we'll finance 100%. That's the ideal. That's what we want to work towards. But not every deal is that good, so you may have to come up with some money. Let's say that it's $78,000. There's a $4,000 difference. So you can renegotiate with the seller. You can get a line of credit. You can find a business partner. There's lots of things you can do to come up with this extra $4,000. But if you just don't have it, you're going to have to get a better deal and get one that's going to fit within that. Then what happens is we close on the loan. Loans for that $74,000. We've got money for the rehab. As the work gets done and approved, that will get paid out to the contractors. The interest is here and will get paid towards that. So you then sell the property. Let's say you sell the property for $100,000 and you've got $10,000 of agent fees and costs and resale, which puts you at $90,000, and you've got $74,000 that you owe back to us. The difference between those two of $16,000 then becomes your profit. So when you go and sell, it pays off all these things, pays off our loan, and the difference between your sales price and costs minus what you owe equals your profit, and that you walk away with.